All right, we finally made it to Pass-a-Grille Beach here in St. Pete, and we're gonna jump in the water. So let's go do it. I heard this is a good shelling beach. The water is actually pretty clear. Hey guys, this water is so nice and it's shallow, and I didn't bring my GoPro. I'm so angry. We're almost at the end of the beach where they say there's a lot of shells.
What?
I think I see some manatees. There it is. It's a manatee. So awesome. See one up close, like literally 15 feet from you.
It's such a good view.
Uh-huh.
Coming towards us.
Yeah. Oh my God. The kids are gonna be jealous. You can't see. Look.
There's 2 more logs over there.
Look how close it is. It stuck its head up. Yes, I did. This beach, did it disappoint you? Not at all. And then there's 2 more. They just stuck their head up. Oh, there they are. Hello.
There's manatees.
We're not used to this, so this is great for us. Oh my God, this is awesome. Heading over to the Paradise Grille to get some food. Ooh, we're making fry sauce. We got a Cuban. Over there's a cheeseburger. And I don't know what that is. Some kind of
Burrito?
Burrito. It's a wrap. What kind of wrap is it again?
Buffalo?
Oh, yeah, chicken buffalo wrap. Okay. Eating here at the Paradise Grille, like right off the beach. The blue water right behind us. It is hot, hot, hot here. It's like 93 degrees, lots of humidity, and I think I'm burnt already. So anytime you're coming here, make sure you bring a lot of sunblock and apply a lot of it. Whew. Well, if you haven't done so, please show some love by liking the video and subscribe. We appreciate it. Thank you.